guys, Swing FW. Welcome back to my channel guys. By the way, sa mga baguhan pa sa channel ko, please do subscribe my channel and click the bell button.
There's a bicycle again!
Oh yeah, we're here now. It's Saturday. We're here now in Siglap Connector Park. Kasama ko naman yung kabady kong friends, Bing Mariet. Ayan, say hi! Say hi first? Oh no. Hey guys, kung if you wanna look a park that there's a lots of playground for the kids, you can come here and Siglap Connector Park, which is it's easy to go. If you gotta go via MRT, just go down to the Kimbangan
There's a bicycle
and then turn the left and then go cruise the stoplight, and after that there's another stoplight, two stoplight, and then just go straight, and this is the connector Siglap. Siglap Connector Park. At saka dito.
I don't want bicycle!
Oh yeah, it's okay. Your sunglasses please. At saka guys, sa mga gustong mag-off day na ayaw ng magulo ang kapaligiran, dito pwede kayo sa Siglap Park kasi merong pwede kayo mahiga dito kasi may mga waiting shed. Ayan, bali 1, 2, 3 free waiting shed siya na, which is pwede ka doon magpahinga at saka mahangin pa dito guys, promise. At saka meron na rin ditong may comfort room na rin dito, which is dati wala. Tapos may water refilling, which is dati wala. Tapos pwede na rin kayo mag-exercise, may exercise doon pwede kayo mag-exercise doon. And now we're going to the park. Hindi doon sa laruan ng mga bata. Okay, Brian, let's go. I wanna let Brian to play there. Okay, guys, look. See? Which is may mga flowers din ditong magaganda. Ang waiting shed, ang ganda. See, may upuan. Ang lawak ng park. Saan ka pa? O, diba? Pag gusto mo ng tahimik na lugar, Siglap Connector Park, it's for you. Tapos kung may mga kids kayo guys na gusto nyo palaruin, pwede din dito kasi tingnan nyo, maraming play ano tawag nito, may sand park din dito. At saka malilim dito guys kasi maraming punong kahoy. And then kung gusto nyo pumunta rin ng East Coast, ito daanan na ito papunta doon sa East Coast. Yan. May swing din, may slide. You can see that there is a car here there, which is your children can play also, and then this is a very huge park here for the children and for everybody. See? And there is swing also there.
Mama?
Yes, baby.
Mama?
This is a telescope that Brian kept telling me. Telescope. This is a telescope that you can see it go to the top of the trees. And then yeah guys, there's a basketball court also there. That one is a basketball court, you can play there. And this is for that one is good for your feet also to exercise.
Mama?
Yes baby.
Mama?
You can play also, you can bring also your kids here guys. I mean, if you are looking after the children, you can bring here for play. But it's better if you're gonna bring them here at morning or afternoon, because now it's 11, it is too sunny there, that side. But there's another side here that still, like where we're gonna sitting down here now, it still has a shadow because of the big trees and lots of
I found the telescope too.
You found a telescope too. What is that?
That's a telescope from the road.
Oh. You can see this. This one, guys. That what Brian talk about. Telescope. He says telescope. That one. Telescope. Telescope. See? Yeah. And there's oh, what did you see it? Did you see a moon? He says you see a moon. Wow, where's the moon? Oh, there's, and then there's siso there. siso there. Ay nako, makapagtagalog na nga lang sa mga nagre-request dyan na mag-English. Sige, i-mix ko lang ha, kasi I'm not fluent in English, but I can speak English. And then if who gonna correct my English, just comment below. I don't care if they're gonna say that my grammar is wrong. As long as I can understand, as long as people can understand me, it doesn't matter to me. Yes, Brian. And then you can see, guys. Oops, where's Brian's hands? Guys, see, you can play with that. Yep.
Mama, I see the tree.
Oh, you can see the trees. And look. Can you go for slide now, Brian? This one, it's nice also. There's a sand here, which is, you can see here, guys. See? If mahilig yung mga alaga niyo maglaro ng sand, pwede dyan. Then may drum here. There's a drum also here, which is very big park for the children and of course for the big people also. And then if you want to rest in your off day or even not off day, you can come here in this park. There's a lot of, I think there's three waiting sheds, and it's very windy here. Even it is very sunny. Okay, Brian, can I go with you? Yay! Oops. Cover your head, please. Oh yeah, sure, we can go and slide. Okay, go, Brian. Go for slide. Okay, go, Brian.
Look, Mama.
Okay, go, it's
Look,
okay, go.
Mama. There's a look. There's a rock stack. Mama.
Yep.
Go up there.
Okay, guys, that's all for now. And then because I need to play with my little boy, with Brian, and then please do subscribe my channel if you are new here in my channel, and then don't forget to click the bell button for the new notification.
I see that tree.
For my next
Mama, I see